soft, buttery brioche buns that are perfect for burgers. They look impressive, but they're actually really easy to make. Here's how. First, I mix the flour and salt together. In another bowl, I whisk the eggs. Then I add the dry yeast to warm milk and give it a quick mix. I pour the milk over the eggs, add the sugar, and mix everything together. Now it's time to make the dough. I add the flour to my stand mixer and slowly pour in the wet ingredients while it's mixing. Once everything comes together, I start adding the butter a little at a time, in about 2 or 3 additions. After mixing for another 15 minutes, the dough is smooth, soft and stretchy. I place it on the counter. It's a little sticky, but that's completely normal. I shape it into a ball and let it rest for 45 minutes. Once it's risen, I divide the dough into equal pieces and shape each one into a smooth ball. I place them on a baking tray, leaving a bit of space between each one, and let them rest for another 30 minutes. Before baking, I brush them with egg yolk mixed with a little espresso. It doesn't make them taste like coffee, it just gives them a deeper golden color. Then I sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until they are beautiful golden. And that's it. Soft, fluffy brioche buns that are perfect for burgers, sandwiches, or even breakfast. They also freeze really well, so you can always have homemade buns ready whenever you need them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and leave a comment. That really helps me a lot.